Hello everybody, Clovis here with UNAS Technology LLC. Today we're gonna start with what we left over from the last tutorial. We were trying actually to get the updates, or we were trying to push the updates from our local machine to the repository. So we're working under calcul test branch. So we wanted to push it to the local, the remote repository. It means the origin calcul test branch. So we had this comment like git push, but we're having some issue with our username and the passcode. And we realized that it looks like since August 13, 2021, they want us to use access token instead of the passcode. So we have to go back to our GitHub, generate access token, then uh, then use it as a passcode. So what we're gonna do is we have to go under our profile settings, and we're already there, and we have to go under um, developer settings, the last option here, and go to personal access token, which is the last option also, and click generate new token, and it's gonna ask us for our passcode. I wanna put my passcode here, and then actually in here you can set the expiration of the token. For now I wanna just do 7 day, because I believe by the time you're gonna get this tutorial, you won't have this access token anymore. I want to just do tests. Right here you can put something that the reason for you creating the access token, and here it's kind of the scope of the access token you're gonna give it. So for now I want to just do a repository, because this is what I want, just to do uh, repository stuff, right? And maybe also workflow. And I want to do generate token, and this is actually my token, and it's created only one time, and you can actually delete it later on. You can come delete it, but uh, you better not to switch the page, because you won't be able to see it again. So what I want to do, I want to copy. I click here to copy. I want to paste it somewhere so that I can have I can reuse it whenever I need. So in my Android Studio now, I need to get to the point I have to enter my username and passcode. So my username is this one, and passcode is pretty much the access token that I got it from there. So I have to copy this one and then paste it there and do enter. Okay, let's do one more time. There we go. So it worked. So right now you can see it's telling us to go there, create a pull request for calculus test on GitHub by visiting this link. So what we have to do is just to click on this link, and it's going to take us to GitHub, and you can see in here it's saying able to merge. It means it's able to merge because we don't have anybody to review our code, and we didn't set up uh, those checks so that they can prevent us to review our codes. So what it's gonna do is gonna take this calculate test and it's gonna merge it to master branch. So let's merge it now to master branch. Before merging it, we have to create a pull request. We just normally you need to put some comment here, like on what you did, and there is an option when you're creating a pull request. After creating a pull request, that is gonna tell you, you're gonna see where right here files changes where your change are actually happened. So what we change, remember, is this one. Like we changed the name of the string. We added please enter a different value, and above here is showing us what we had before, which is removed, and then using the sign plus right there, the little plus there, it means this is in green, it's what is going to be merged, what is added. So we're going to go back under conversation. So if there is anything like people they don't really want us, they can make some comments, like maybe in here they can click like this and then write some comment to ask us to fix some stuff. For now we're not doing that. So since we didn't set up a system of making approval, so we have the option actually merge pull requests. So we just need to click on it, and then we can confirm the merge. Once we click on confirm merge, you can see it gave us a message here, pull request successfully merge and close. You have the option actually to delete the branch, but yeah, let's leave it for now. So it says here this user merge one commit into master from calcul test. It means what we did, the commits we did locally is actually updated in the master remotely. So if we go back to in our Android Studio, we're gonna do git status first to check if there is anything pending in this branch, the calcul test branch. There is not, so nothing to commit, working tree clean. Then now we're gonna check our master branch. We're gonna do checkout master, and once we check out master, we switch to master branch right here, and let's check what we have inside the master branch. So you can see in our master branch, as soon as I click in this file, it's showing exactly what we had before. Why? Because the master branch is not updated yet. So to update the master branch, remember the master branch which is updated is the origin master branch, but the master branch which we need to update is the local master branch, which is in our machine. Origin master branch is that one, uh, the remote branch, what we have in GitHub in the remote repository. So what we do git pull. Then you can see it added some of the file. It's saying here, file change, non-insertion, and it's giving us kind of what was updated, right? What was the what we have updated, and you can see right here there is operation class implementation KT that has some updates. So now if you click back inside this class, you're gonna see the message changing because this is showing the last state of the class before doing the git pull, before updating the local. But if you click here, it's gonna actually update also this file. Let's click and you're gonna see. You see now, please enter a different value has been added. So now our master branch is updated too. So if they give you a different task, you can also now work on the task again in the different branch. The way you just updated your code is the same way any other developer, wherever place he's gonna be working in the world, if he is meeting all the requirements of the company and they allow him to have access in your remote repository, he will be able to pull the code and update his code, his development or master developer or master branch locally. That's it for now. Thanks and have a blessed day. Bye.